queen C, and I'm back with another episode, a very special episode, because it has been a long time coming. It's been what, longer than a year now? Like, this is insane. It's insane. I'm feeling insane. I'm feeling great, and I'm just really excited right now. Like, do y'all see what I'm seeing? Like, do y'all see the lighting? I know y'all see the background. Y'all like, wait, hold up, what's going on? But y'all already know by the title what's going on, so let's just jump straight into it. Y'all see Frosty over there? Yeah, you're trying to get familiar with the new place. So me, my partner, this is us. This is us right here, and I'm so excited to share with you guys, share this journey. I'm so excited to get back to the rhythm of things. Oh my God, this is gonna be awesome. Like, this is gonna be so awesome. I got Frosty here with me. Yeah, this is Frosty's first time in here. So without further ado, let's just get right into the tour. So this is the entrance. We do not have keys. We use our phone to unlock the door. You can also use a passcode, but yeah, we don't have keys. So this is our entrance. So as soon as you walk in, to your right side, you're gonna have a door to your bathroom. Straight in front of you, you're going to have your washer and dryer, and to your left, you're gonna have your open concept kitchen and living room. So I'm thinking about putting a runner right here, like a small runner for when you take off, like when you come in, like with your shoes and stuff. And then I'm gonna put a shoe storage rack over here. So you can take off your shoes when you come inside, you know, keep the floors clean, nice and clean. Like I said, to the right, you have your bathroom. So this is our bathroom. To your left, when you enter the bathroom, you have your light switches. You have two, so that top light right there could come off if you don't want it, or if you just want that top light and not the entire bathroom. So I'm thinking about taking off this rail because we kind of don't need it. We're just gonna hang our towels behind the door, but I want to put a storage cabinet in here for our towels and stuff. The bathroom has really great cabinet storage. Like, this storage is huge. It could definitely fit all my hair products plus more, plus like the toiletries and stuff. So very grateful for this cabinet storage, and I am obsessed with just the bathroom in general, the size. I'm obsessed with the tiles, the color. Like, it's just so calming and peaceful. Like, I'm just literally obsessed. And then we have this giant mirror. No, it doesn't open up. It's not a medicine cabinet, but I just love that it's huge. Like, I'm gonna be taking pictures in here every single day. What? I am going to give you guys a skincare routine. Even though I don't have one right now, I'm gonna make one just for you guys because this mirror is gorgeous. But we also have a rail on this side as well for like our hand towels. I'm thinking about putting like a little plant or something over here, and then our toothbrushes, hand soap, and all that on that corner. Not sure yet, but we will see as we go. And then this is our bathtub and our shower head. And then behind the door, we also have this hook, but we're gonna tell them to remove it as well because it's 2 people in here, not 1, and that is just 1 hook. But yeah, that is our bathroom. To the right of the bathroom, we have the closet for our washer and dryer. The building also has a laundry room for like bigger loads and comforters and stuff like that, so that's good. Oh, also we are going to be putting like our mops and broom and stuff like that, probably hung on the back of the door, or probably just like in the corner somewhere. So that's where I think I'm gonna put the cleaning stuff. And then we have the open concept living and kitchen room. And when I say I'm obsessed with this kitchen, like, it is beautiful. Wait, before we get into the kitchen, right here we have this space that I'm gonna be putting like a wardrobe closet to use as a coat closet. So that's what I'm gonna put over here. Then next to it, like I said, we have the kitchen with these beautiful huge cabinets. Like, these things are huge, they're tall, and I love the fact that they did 2 different colors. Like, they did brown and they did like this grayish, but they also did white for the countertops that I love. So all stainless steel appliances. I'm just a little sad that the refrigerator doesn't have a water filter for like water, but it's fine. I like water bottles anyway because I can take it with me on the go. We do have ice maker over here, so that's good, very useful. So here we have our stove and microwave, and this is the first oven that I've seen. I've probably seen it before, but that I've seen and going to use with the oven buttons down here. Usually it's like up there, but I really love that it's down here because it gives you like an open, clean look. We have our microwave, and then again, these huge storage cabinets. Probably gonna be putting like the cleaning supplies and stuff like that under here. So that's good. And we also have a dishwasher. See, I'm old-fashioned, so I don't know if I'm gonna be using the dishwasher, but yes, we have a dishwasher. It's a pretty good size, decent size, and hopefully one day I will be using it. I don't even know how to use it, but I'll be using it one day. And then we have this wide sink that I love because I am a cooker. Like, I cook, and I really love the fact that this is a wide sink because I got pots, okay? Like, I got that big Caribbean Dutch pot, yeah. So that definitely can fit in here, which I love, and it's gonna be, you know, not so hard to clean because it's wide. And I love the fact that you have this wide, big counter space. Not sure if I want to put the dish rack on this side or this side, but we will see. And then we have about like 3 drawers. So with this one, also soft closing. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, so we have those 2, and then we have this drawer as well. More than likely I will be putting spoons, forks, and stuff like that in there. So off of the kitchen, we have the living room. And then we have these beautiful windows with these beautiful views. It's a high view because we're on a high floor, and I really like it. We have, you can see the train on this side as well. And if you look all the way down there, those tiny buildings over there, on camera they look really tiny, but I can see them all out there. That is the city, New York City, Manhattan. So all those buildings over there, and then this other window as well. The windows don't come out all the way, obviously, because that's just the law, but this is how far they come out. Pretty decent. And then the apartment came with these blinds that you pull up and down. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them and do, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them and do curtains, but for right now, they're gonna stay. But honestly, I just love it up, not down. Just leave it as it is. I love the huge windows. So the couch is gonna be over here, TV over there, probably like a little island over there with like 2 stools. Thinking about a corner desk, not sure, but that is our living and kitchen area. Now we are in the bedroom. This is the bedroom. Don't mind my bag. It's not your biggest room, but it's our room, and we are going to make the most of it. So we have a light switch, however, we don't have lights at the top, but this controls like any lights that you do plug in or that you want to wire. So we're probably just gonna put a lamp or like some wall lighting somewhere But in our room, we have a closet, has 2 doors to open, and this honestly is a pretty decent sized closet to me. I can fit in there, like I can go in there and you can close the doors, but again, I am small. But my boyfriend, you could do that as well. So it is a decent sized closet. It has storage space at the top. Don't mind our little thing of hangers. This is all we have right now, but it's okay, we're gonna get more. So it's a pretty decent sized closet. Honestly, I think it will work for the both of us. Like, that's his side, that's my side, but I have a lot of clothes, so obviously dressers and stuff will be in the room. And then behind the door, I'm thinking about putting like some shelving units, and then behind, like on the door, I'm thinking about putting like some hooks and stuff to like hang like my sweaters and my bags and stuff like that. And that is all, ladies and gentlemen. That is the end of this tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be doing an episode of what led up to this journey, finding apartments in New York, all that good stuff. So make sure you guys comment down any questions you guys want me to answer for you guys. And don't expect this apartment to be fully furnished, and don't expect a video of that anytime soon, just to let you guys know, because I'm a perfectionist and it probably won't be done for another 2 months, and I don't want to show y'all guys until it's completely done. So just don't expect that anytime soon, okay? But it's coming. It's coming. I definitely will be like filming the journey as, you know, I go on and I continue. But I'll see you guys in my next episode. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, make sure you subscribe. Why? Because it's the ever spooner. Should have subscribed sooner, and I'll see y'all in my next episode. Mwah.